Earth is a beautiful planet. Everyone wants to protect it, but with more and more people living here, the demand for energy is rising. The United Nations has made it a priority to make affordable electricity and clean energy accessible to everyone by 2030. So we can do simple things, like cook food to sustain ourselves and our families. And extraordinary things, like explore outer space, with minimal impact on the world around us. Electricity was invented in the 1800s. It sparked a transformation for millions of people around the world and revolutionized how they lived. But 1.2 billion people still don't have access to electricity. For them, life is a challenge. But new clean energies like solar power, which converts sunlight into electricity, and wind turbines, which convert kinetic energy, are making it easier and more sustainable to supply and access electricity. It's imperative that we continue to invest in renewable energies, not just for ourselves, but for the health of the Earth too. For centuries, mankind has mined the Earth for fossil fuels like crude oil and coal to manufacture goods and power transportation. But when consumed, fossil fuels emit dangerous toxins that contribute towards climate change by increasing the temperature of Earth's atmosphere. And our harnessing of nuclear power has also proved catastrophic, as evidenced by the Fukushima disaster in 2011. Our reliance on these kinds of energies has had consequences. But it's possible to reverse some of the damage we've caused. Progress is being made. Between 1990 and 2010, the number of people with access to electricity increased by 1.7 billion. In California alone, there are more than 242,000 solar projects throughout the state. And cool new technologies are helping us generate 20% of global power from renewable sources. In the City of London, the body heat of commuters is being harvested and used to heat homes. Did you know that the vibrations produced when revelers hit the dance floor can be stored and transformed into clean energy in special tiles using piezoelectric harvesting technologies? We can all be a part of the solution to generate a revolution in energy production and consumption by 2030.